this year has been unprecedented in terms of, economic crises, healthcare crises, and also as an income investor, the amount of dividend cuts we've had now across not only the UK, but also Europe and a little bit in the US. In terms of, in particular, the UK, the Shell dividend cut back in April was a watershed moment. And from my perspective, it's quite interesting that BP didn't take the same action. They're now on a 10% yield and have around about 60 billion debt on their balance sheet. And as you sort of alluded in the run up to this sort of conversation, Vodafone announced their results today. They're not growing their business either, so there could be additional dividend sort of weakness there. But it's an aspect of the market which is front and center as an income investor, and dividend cover really should be on everyone's lips right now.
Do you think dividend is as relevant for management teams as it was even just 9 months ago? I kind of think shoring up the position and trying to grow the business far more important perhaps than keeping the shareholders happy. But have they got that message, a lot of these guys who've still got very chunky dividends left?
So over the last 5 to 10 years, industry dynamics have changed significantly, and the amount of disruption rippling through all industries is significant. We all hear about it on a daily basis. And some of these sort of old, more mature companies that are plugged into the old economy have been paying very large dividends now for the last 10 years. And some of these companies just haven't really been growing at all, but yet they've been paying very large dividends. My opinion is maybe these companies, maybe they need to bring back those dividends a bit and reinvest in their businesses for innovation and for growth. Some companies have been doing this. Companies like Disney in the US, they have disrupted themselves by reinvesting in their business and pivoting their business model to direct to consumer and launching Disney Plus. But others like Vodafone, BP, British American Tobacco, I'm not quite sure I can see the same sort of innovation, and I'm not quite sure what these companies are going to look like in 10 years' time.